Philippians 4 verse 6. Be careful for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God. That's a message of the Lord for you today, that God wants you to be careful for nothing. And He wants you to live life that belongs to Him. And He doesn't want you to entertain vain thoughts. He wants you to live in His words and to have a good mindset as always. And He wants you to have a good reputation in your life, a good discipline from Him. And He doesn't want you to live life that is full of waste, a life that doesn't please Him. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.